3, 2, 1.
Which book is set in Mordor and features Frodo Baggins? The answer is B, Lord of the Rings. Average global temperature has been doing what for the past several decades? The answer is C, rising. I never sleep, yet I rest the weary. What am I? The answer is C, a well. What is the study of energy and its transformations called? The answer is A, thermodynamics. What is the only planet that is known to support life? The answer is C, Earth. I turn blue litmus paper red. What am I? The answer is A, acid. What year did Gomer Pyle USMC series debut? The answer is B, 1964. Who was the head football coach for Utah from 1990-1998? The answer is A, Ron McBride. What does CPU stand for in computing terminology? The answer is C, Central Processing Unit. The diapsids diverged into two groups, the Archosauromorpha ancient lizard form and the Lepidosauromorpha scaly lizard form during what time period? The answer is C, Mesozoic. What word, used by Americans to refer to an item of clothing, means underwear in British English? The answer is D, pants. In the movie Chinatown, how did Jake's operatives tell what time Mulray drove away? The answer is B, they placed watches under his tires. Name the first 4 planets of the solar system in order of their distance from the Sun. The answer is D, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. What is the main piece of equipment in basketball? The answer is A, ball. In what year was the movie Hoosiers released? The answer is C, 1986. In which Bourne movie/movies is there a shootout in Moscow? The answer is D, The Bourne Ultimatum and Bourne Supremacy. Some animals live in a grassland. A fire burns through the grassland. Which type of animal will best compete for resources after the fire? The answer is C, one that lives under the ground. What is the name of the breakfast dish that is made by boiling cereal? The answer is D, porridge. With which sport is Magic Johnson associated? The answer is A, basketball. I travel from east to west without moving. What am I? The answer is D. Weather forecasts. Which musical instrument uses a keyboard to create sound? The answer is C. Piano. Which systems work together to provide cells with the oxygen they need for cellular respiration? The answer is A. Respiratory and circulatory systems. In what major city was actor William Powell born? The answer is A. Pittsburgh, Pa. Which member of the office staff often calls Pam hot? The answer is A. Kevin. What is a sash in clothing terms? The answer is C. Belt. Who was the first woman to become Prime Minister of the UK? The answer is A. Margaret Thatcher. What is a wind instrument played by blowing into it and producing sound through a series of holes? The answer is A. Flute. Which is the only mountain in the world to have 7 summits? The answer is D. Aconcagua. What does URL stand for in web addresses? The answer is B. Universal Reference Locator. What is the home planet of Darth Vader, one of the main villains in Star Wars? The answer is A. Tatooine. What actor portrayed Agent James Bond in the 1989 movie License to Kill? The answer is C. Timothy Dalton. What Oscar-winning actress plays the female lead in Ivan Reitman's romantic comedy film No Strings Attached? The answer is C. Natalie Portman. According to Mr. Bean's passport, what is his occupation? The answer is D. Museum guard. What is a main feature of planes? The answer is A. A flat, level surface. Essential minerals that the body needs in tiny quantities are called what? The answer is D. Trace minerals. Which river forms part of the border between Thailand and Myanmar? The answer is A. Mekong. What does GB stand for in computing terms? The answer is A. Gigabytes. A structure that makes us reach higher, reaching for the sky. What am I? The answer is A. Skyscraper. In many caves, rock formations include stalactites and stalagmites. Where does the rock in these formations come from? The answer is C. Dissolved minerals. Which search engine was first to hit 1 billion searches in a day? The answer is A. Google. What is the time it takes for Earth to revolve around the Sun, named in Roman mythology? The answer is B. Solar year. The name silicon is derived from the Latin word for flint. The answer is C. Silex. I'm a box filled with holes. What am I? The answer is C. Empty box. In the episode of the M*A*S*H series, titled As Time Goes By, the members of the 4077 created a time capsule. Which of Colonel Blake's items was added to this time capsule? A fishing fly. What was the name of the character portrayed by Ricardo Montalban on Fantasy Island? The answer is D. Mr. Rook. Which wind instrument is shaped like a flute but with multiple holes for fingers to cover? The answer is B. Clarinet. Who was the first Australian actress to win the Academy Award for Best Actress? The answer is C. Nicole Kidman. I'm small, red, and used in pies. What am I? The answer is A. Raspberry. Which vegetable is often used in stir-fries and is native to South America? The answer is D. Peppers. How many furlongs are there in a mile?